Hi there, students. An epicure, a person, a noun, and Epicurean as an adjective. Okay, an epicure is somebody who likes good food, somebody who likes good food and drink. Yeah, a gourmet, somebody who really loves their food, a foodie. Yeah, a chowhound, in, in, informally, a gastronaut as well. I've heard. Okay, so yeah, if you really enjoy good food and good wine, good alcohol, that's um, the definition of an epicure. Yeah, somebody with a refined taste, particularly in food. Yeah, they have a very discriminating palate. Yeah, and they know what is uh, good food and what is not so good. So a connoisseur, a wine connoisseur, very definitely an Epicurean, a bon vivant, somebody who really enjoys their food. Um, Notice I was also thinking about the words a gourmand and a glutton, and both of those words talk about somebody who enjoys it too much, who goes over the top. Yeah. This is definitely a restaurant for epicures because the Epicurean delights that they produce are wonderfully high quality. I guess the Michelin guidebook is a guide for restaurants for epicures, for people who really, really like their food. They enjoy eating. So I have to admit, I'm a bit of an epicure as well. I really enjoy good food. I think food is an important thing to enjoy. Well, not all of us enjoy it, but well, it's probably why I'm so overweight. Okay, so yeah, Epicurean, good quality food. Yeah, a gourmet delicatessen serves Epicurean food, very definitely. Um, Formality. This is quite a formal word. I think it's quite a posh word as well. I think I'd probably give it something like 6.5 to 7. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think in a semi-formal writing in one of your exam essays would sound good, and in a formal context as well. Okay, and then as to origin, well, it comes from Epicurus, or probably Epicurus, yeah, Epikouros, an ancient Greek philosopher and a sage, yeah, and he and his followers were known for eating simple food and discussing philosophy. Um, no, so epicures, that's the origin of it. Okay, so an epicure, somebody who really enjoys good food and wine as well. And then Epicurean, the adjective of that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Epicure, Epicurean.